Well, the fine folks over at Nlight sent me their window rain guards. You guys have been picking at me since I bought this truck about why not get a full set for the front and back. Well, these came with the truck. I didn't have any choice in the matter, right? Like, it was on there. Either I could have took them off or left them the way it is, and I've just left them the way it is. But I want it, like you guys said, it looks tacky this way. I want it to be a complete set all the way around. So let's get these open and check these out. Really nice packaging. It's all like this bubble wrap, but this high dollar stuff all the way around. Each one of the vents are marked. This one says front and left. This one here is marked front right. This one here is marked rear right. And rear left. There is a tool installation kit here. I took the old visors off. I started looking at the little tool kit that comes with it and realized it's a little bit more involved than just sticking stuff on. They actually sit inside the track instead of outside the track. So I went inside to get this extra sticky off around the window. I went inside and got some Goo Gone so I can see if I can let it sit and get the sticky residue from what was there before off first. Looks like I'm gonna have to use the eraser wheel. It's not all coming off, so I'm gonna use the eraser wheel when I get to work tomorrow. Let's get these things installed. It says, okay, installation steps. Roll down the window and wipe off the internal dust with a wet towel and wait for it to dry before installing. Okay. It says to make sure we clean inside this track. Try to get it way up in there. There's actually a tool, a little plastic tool in the bag. If you wanted to, you could use that to help push this in. But I'm getting it back up in there pretty good. While that's drying up there, I'm gonna go ahead and do this back here. What's the next step? All right, remove the tape liner from the front and rear flanges. Peel off tape liner from each end of the top flange. All right, now it shows taking these little pieces of tape off here, the outer film. So that's what we're gonna do. Take the little film pieces off all the way around. This is the front passenger side. Okay. And what's the next step? Let's see what the next step is over here. Insert the visor into the window channel front flange first. Apply pressure to all flange edges to ensure proper adhesion. Install the clips directly into the window and the deflectors, which can fix the deflectors and prevent it from falling off easily. The smooth side of the clip faces the outside of the car, and the triangular barbed side faces the inside of the car. Push into the innermost part of the window slot in the specified direction and position. So it shows one there in the corner and one there in the corner, and then it actually gives you a little description of inside and outside. So installing this in the track, it made it look like you gotta kind of kick it down, and you start the front edge, and then you kind of fold it up into the place where you want it to be. That there. So I've got that part in right there, and I've got that started. What I need to do is figure out how I'm gonna get this side bent here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the front started, and then I'm gonna bow this out, and I'm gonna let the back go in, and then I'm gonna kind of come around here and start this. Yeah, there. And then I'm gonna take my fingers and I'm gonna push it up in the channel and then pull it towards the seal where the adhesive's at. And I'm applying pressure all the way down as I'm moving my fingers. Okay, that tucks in there pretty nice. And then when we go back to step 5, it says install the clips directly into the window and deflectors, which can fix the deflectors and prevent it from falling off easily. The smooth side of the clip faces outside of the car, and the triangular barbed side faces the inside of the car. Push into the innermost part of the window slot in the specified direction. Well, this is the clip, and both sides are smooth and there's no barbs. So I'm assuming it doesn't really matter. So they showed one of the clips being installed right here at the jam, like right at the corner. Oh, almost got it in. It's hard doing it with one hand. Let me do it with 2 hands real quick. I took the little tool that comes with the kit. I was a little aggressive with it. I broke it, but I pushed the one clip in right here. See if I can get it to focus. Right there. So one clip is sitting up in there and it's applying pressure outward. I'm going to put one more clip up here where it says. The other clip I have is right up here in this corner. So one there and one there. It says continue to apply pressure to ensure that the visor remains properly seated inside the window channel as window is slowly closed. Leave window up for 72 hours to secure visor to window channel. That could be a problem right there. That needs to be tucked back a little bit. It's going to hit that every time the window goes up. And in this corner here as well. Alright, after messing with it, it went up on its own, and I'm sure it's going to relax after it stays up for a while, but window's up. It didn't jam up. Took a couple times of trying to push the plastic back right there and push the plastic back right there, and finally it stayed. I'm sure if you had like a little heat gun, you could heat it up and move it where you wanted it to. But who knows, after 72 hours, this may just stay exactly like this. It definitely looks nice. It's a very, very clean look. And there is the back left or the back right installed. I put one clip here, and one clip here, and then rolled the window up. I like it. It's clean. Well, there it is. It's done. This side took like literally 5 minutes to put together. Cleaned it. By the time I was done cleaning the back, went to the front, by the time I was done with the front, the back was already dry. Then I was able to go ahead and stick the visor in, and then put 3 clips there, and I put 3 clips here. I put one here, one here, and one here. I went over to the other side and I added that middle clip. So each visor got 3 clips. We'll see. Looks good. It tucks in just perfectly. It's very, very nice. And this is from a company called Nilight. They even give you like an extra spool of tape in case something comes loose or you need to retape something. That's pretty cool. And this is Nilight. Thank you for choosing us. There it is. Looks good, don't it? Better than what it did before. You guys be blessed. Take care, and I'll have a link down below for you.